In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI in Hostinger. Hostinger has a built-in AI tool that can help you get quick answers and guidance right inside your account. And the good news is that it's very simple to access and start using. If you want a fast way to get help while working on your website or hosting setup, this feature can save you time and make things feel much easier. To begin, go to your Hostinger account and sign in as usual. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a look toward the top right area of the screen. You should see a button labeled Ask AI. This is the shortcut that opens Hostinger's built-in AI assistant. Go ahead and click that Ask AI button. As soon as you do, a sidebar will open on the side of the screen. This sidebar is where the chat happens, and it works much like a regular AI chat tool. The layout is designed to keep things simple, so you can stay inside Hostinger while asking questions and getting help without needing to leave the page or search through support articles on your own. Once the chat sidebar is open, you can start typing your question directly into the message area. This is where you can try asking it whatever you need help with. For example, you might use it to better understand a feature, get help navigating tools in Hostinger, or get general guidance related to what you're working on inside the platform. When writing your question, try to be clear and specific so the AI can give you a more useful answer. After you send your message, the AI will respond in the sidebar. From there, you can continue the conversation if you need more detail or want to refine your request. If the first answer is too broad, you can simply ask a follow-up question and make your request more specific. That usually helps you get better results, and that's really all there is to it. Open Hostinger. Click Ask AI in the top right corner, wait for the chat sidebar to appear, and start asking your questions. It's a quick and convenient tool built directly into the platform, and it can be especially useful when you want help without interrupting your workflow. If you're using Hostinger regularly, it's worth getting comfortable with this feature so you can find answers faster and work more efficiently.